Good morning, dear students. As we have studied the whole chapter number 13, which was animal means of transport. So, now we will be doing the exercises of it. So, in the first question, it is given to take the correct answer. Alright. So, the first question is animals that carry heavy loads are called. So, I hope that all of us might be knowing, because we have studied the chapter thoroughly, that the animals that are used to carry heavy loads are known as pack animals. Alright. So, the option is B, pack animals. Then the second question is, which animal is used to carry load in cold weather? So we are asked to name the animal which is used to carry load in cold weather. Alright. So the answer will be A, yak. Okay. The answer is A, yak. Then the third question is, animals that plow fields are mule, donkey or bullocks. Which animal is used to plow the field? So the answer is C, bullocks. Then the fourth question is a means of transport that does not have wheels. So the answer of this question will be B, sledge. Okay? Because both these means of transport have wheels in them, but sledge is used in hilly or snowy areas where there is more snow, so wheels will not be able to properly move in that area, so sledge planks are used to move from one place to another. All right. The second question is fill in the blanks. We have to fill the blanks with proper words. And the first question is, animals have been used as means of dash for a very long time. So the answer of this will be animals have been used as a means of transport. As a means of transport for a very long time. Second question is, animals are used for carrying dash in forest. Sorry, animals is not given, it's elephants. Elephants are used for carrying dash in forest. Elephants are used to carry logs of wood. यानी कि लकड़ी के बड़े बड़े लट्ठों को कैरी करते हैं एलिफेंट्स फॉरेस्ट में. The third question is, animals that plow fields are called. So the animals that plow fields are called drought animals. I hope that every one of us might be knowing the answers. Now the fourth question is, mules are used in dash areas. So mules are used in which areas? Hilly areas. Right? Then fifth is, sledges are pulled by dash and dash. So as I have told you that sledges are the wood planks that are used to move from one place to another or to travel the goods. So that are used in the snowy areas, which are carried or pulled by dogs and reindeers. Alright. So sledges are pulled by dogs and reindeers. Now the third question, the C part is, match the following. So the first option is yak. Now we have to study these options and we have to pick one and match it. Alright. So the first question is yak. So is yak used for pulling sledges? No. Is it used for riding? No. To draw water from wells? No. Used to locate thieves? No. But it is used to carry load on mountains. So we have matched it. Now the second option is oxen. So we know that oxen is used to draw water from wells. Alright. Then the third is horse. And horse, we all know that horse riding is very popular sport. So horse are also used for riding. Reindeer, we have studied here only that reindeers is used to pull sledges. So we know that reindeer used for pulling sledges. And the last is dogs. Dogs are used to locate the thieves as they are very loyal. So these are the answers of your exercise, and the question answers I might be giving in the next video. Alright. So all of you study it, learn it and revise it at your home. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.